YouTube. Tonight I'm going to be posting this video about my dog. One big cute. One is a duo mix, and one is a poodle. Wait, let's just get a closer look. Okay, so that's my one dog. She's like, wait, hold on for me. I want to play with you. Okay. So that's my poodle. This is my Chihuahua mix. And that's both of them at the same time. I love them so much, so thanks for watching this video. I think my dog is about to get a little horny. So you guys want to, leave this channel, I'm just kidding. Not leave the channel. Come here, Princess. Now, her name is Princess. His name is Chico. Uh-oh. He's getting ready. Now that is a dog fight. See you later, YouTube.